the Supreme Court has cleared the way for the construction of the Mountain Valley Pipeline, MVP, a 303-mile natural gas project that faced legal challenges from environmental groups. The court overturned a lower court ruling that had stopped the pipeline work earlier this month. The court issued a brief order on Thursday morning, without any dissent, that vacated the state orders from the U.S. Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals. The appeals court had ruled in favor of the Wilderness Society and Appalachian Voices, two environmental groups that sued to block the pipeline construction. The appeals court ruling was opposed by the Biden administration, lawmakers from both parties, and the fossil fuel industry. The Department of Justice argued in a brief to the Supreme Court last week that the lower court ruling ignored the will of Congress, which had approved all permits for the MVP project in the Fiscal Responsibility Act, a bipartisan debt limit bill that President Biden signed in early June. The bill also transferred judicial review authority from the Fourth Circuit, which has often ruled against the pipeline, to the U.S. District of Columbia Circuit Court of Appeals. The Fourth Circuit judges are not supreme rulers, and lawful orders issued by the legislative and executive branches must be followed, said GOP Chief Deputy Whip Guy Reeskenthaler, Republican, Pennsylvania. Congress was well within its power to restart the Mountain Valley Pipeline construction and usher in a new era of energy independence for the region. Instead of halting the pipeline, I urge the Supreme Court to plug up the ludicrous activism seeping out of the lower court, so American families can enjoy lower energy costs, substantial land royalties, and most importantly, law and order in America, he added. Reeskenthaler led a group of 8 lawmakers, including Senator Shelley Moore Capito, Republican, West Virginia, who filed a brief in support of the MVP project's permits. Senator Joe Manchin, Democrat, West Virginia, who helped secure the pipeline in the Fiscal Responsibility Act, filed his own brief in the case on July 18. The Supreme Court has spoken, and this decision to let construction of the Mountain Valley Pipeline move forward again is the correct one. I am relieved that the highest court in the land has upheld the law Congress passed, and the President signed, Manchin said in a statement Thursday.